Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are ideal for beginner investors due to their many benefits such as low expense ratios, abundant liquidity, range of investment choices, diversification, low investment threshold, and so on.
Take our lead.
There are many ways an ETF can stray from its intended index. That tracking error can be a cost to investors. Indexes do not hold cash but ETFs do, so a certain amount of tracking error in an ETF is expected. Fund managers generally hold some cash in a fund to pay administrative expenses and management fees.
Make your mark, take our lead.
My recommendation is to go with the Vanguard FTSE All-World ex-US Small Cap ETF, a fund that tracks the performance of the FTSE Global Small Cap ex-US Index, which consists of over 3,000 stocks in dozens of countries.
Let's help you make your mark.
That said, if you're truly interested in diversified, buy and hold, investing over the long term, and most small, individual investors should be, then ETFs could be safer than stocks in some important ways. ETFs can be affordable. Index ETFs outperform active managers, when ETFs are not safer than stocks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.